If Access Server displays an IP address pool depletion error, it means there aren't enough available addresses in one of its VPN client pools. Start by checking the error message to identify the affected pool. Default user IP address pool depleted refers to the default VPN client address pool. Static user IP address pool depleted refers to the static IP address pool. Group IP address pool depleted refers to the default group address pool. And group hybrid IP address pool depleted refers to a group-owned subnet or its dynamic range. Next, check which users receive addresses from that pool and compare the number of connected users with the number of usable IP addresses. Remember that not every address in a subnet can be assigned to a client. Some addresses are reserved for networking or Access Server itself. To resolve the issue, you can increase the size of the affected subnet, expand a group's dynamic range, or reduce the number of users receiving addresses from that pool. Also, make sure your VPN address pools don't overlap with networks used by Access Server, your private infrastructure, or your users' local networks. Overlapping subnets can cause routing problems even when addresses are still available. That's it. Identify the affected pool, check its usable capacity, review who is using it, and confirm that the subnet doesn't overlap with another network.